Let me tell you something uncomfortable. If people don't respect you, if you don't even respect yourself, it's not because you're unlucky, it's because of the choices you keep making. And in 2026, that ends. Because today, you're going to find out exactly why your self-respect is broken, and how to rebuild it from the ground up. The truth about self-respect. Self-respect is not confidence. It's not loud words. It's not posting motivational quotes. Self-respect is what you do when no one is watching. It's whether you keep the promises you make to yourself. It's whether you get up when it's hard. It's whether you walk away from things that are destroying you. And most people don't lack talent. They don't lack intelligence. They lack self-respect. They say they will wake up early, and they don't. They say they will work, and they scroll. They say they will change, and they choose comfort again. Every time you lie to yourself, you teach your brain that your words mean nothing. And when your words mean nothing, your self-respect dies. Why you feel weak? You don't feel weak because you are weak. You feel weak because you keep quitting on yourself. You tolerate disrespect. You tolerate laziness. You tolerate bad habits. You tolerate people who drain you. And deep down, you know it. That's why you don't feel powerful. That's why you don't feel confident. That's why you don't feel proud when you look in the mirror. You are watching yourself become someone you promised you'd never be. The hard truth. Nobody destroys your self-respect except you. Not your past. Not your parents. Not society. Not bad luck. You destroy it every time you choose comfort over discipline. Every time you choose excuses over effort. Every time you choose short-term pleasure over long-term growth. And the worst part? Your brain remembers it. It remembers every time you quit. And slowly, it stops believing in you. How to fix IT in 2026. You don't fix self-respect with motivation. You fix it with action. Tiny, uncomfortable, consistent action. You rebuild self-respect one promise at a time. Say you'll wake up at 6. Wake up at 6. Say you'll work for 1 hour. Do the hour. Say you'll stop wasting time. Put the phone down. It's not about doing big things. It's about doing what you said you would do. Every small win rebuilds your identity. Every kept promise makes you stronger. Become unrecognizable. In 2026, you don't need to become perfect. You need to become disciplined. Stop negotiating with yourself. Stop asking, do I feel like it? Ask, is this who I want to be? High-value people do what needs to be done, even when they don't feel like it. That's the difference. Time is running. You don't have unlimited time. You don't get infinite chances. Every year you delay becoming better. You are training yourself to stay small. And one day, you will wake up and realize you spent your life being comfortable instead of being great. Final wake-up call. If you want people to respect you, start respecting yourself. Do the hard things. Keep your word. Show up. Stay consistent. Become dangerous. Because in 2026, you don't need more motivation. You need more discipline. And the moment you stop quitting on yourself, your whole life will change.